Guten Tag, meine Freunde. Hello, my friends. I'm Linguistish, and today we're learning German using Mario RPG. The first thing that the game asks is dein Name, and so to input our name, we have to know the alphabet. So, alphabet is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And we want to put in our name, that is Linguistish. So we're going to put L, I, N, G, U, I, S, T. And there's no room for the ish, so for today at least, we are linguists. And with that, we're going to pick Ende or end. And as you can see already, we have Name, we have Ende, we have things in German that are very similar to words in English. And that's because German and English are actually fairly closely related languages. They're both Germanic, and they have that common origin. So we'll see a lot of words that are quite similar between the one language and the other. And the term, by the way, for those words is cognates. So there's a lot of cognates between English and German. Another thing to note is that Mario RPG was never actually released in Germany with a German translation. And so the way that we're playing this now is through a fan translation. Quite nice one, and I'll put a link to where you can find that translation in the comments in case you want to be able to play it yourself. So here we are in Bowser's Castle. The first little bit of this game, there's not going to be a whole ton of German. We'll have plenty to read and talk about as it goes, but for now, this is just kind of the unskippable intro / tutorial. So there's a little bit here and there that we'll see. We can talk a little bit about the menu, but the real meat and potatoes is coming later. So you can see we have the letters here, X, A, B, and Y. Y is what we're using for our special attack, or Spezial, and the attack is Sprung. And then we use Attacke, which looks an awful lot like attack. And that's what the A button or A button does. No more magic points, so we'll just do regular attacks. And here when we attack, you can see at the bottom it says unbewaffnet. Waffen is a weapon, and un is very similar to the English un. So unbewaffnet means unweaponed or unarmed. Okay. Wir gehen durch die Tür, through the door, and over the bridge, über die Brücke. And we're finally here. Endlich sind wir da. Here in the throne room, but no sign of Bowser and no sign of Peach. Or is there? Okay, die Prinzessin ist da. Princess is there. Und Bowser. Okay, we're about to get our first little bit of actual German dialogue and our first little boss battle. Toadstool says, Lass dich nicht zermalmen, Mario. So don't let yourself get smashed. Malmen is a word that means to grind, like to grind between your teeth. And then ser makes it stronger, so to smash. Mario, mach dich bereit für das Jenseits, says Bowser. So Mario, prepare yourself for the hereafter. Okay, so doing a little fight, and this battle gave us back our flower points, so we might as well use them again. But Toadstool says die Kette. Schlag auf die Kette. So she says the chain. Hit the chain. Oops, a little late for doing it this round, but I guess we should give that a try. Try attacking that kinkling chain, or Kette. Nothing happened that time, but try it again, the regular attack. Etwas passiert. Something's happening. Was war das? Says Bowser. Oh nein. Oh no. Eine Kettenreaktion. It's a chain reaction. halte durch, Kinklink. So hold on, Kinklink, and But kommst du, Mario? Are you coming too, Mario? Oh, kämpf, Mario! Kämpf, says Princess Peach. Fight, Mario! Fight! Das macht dich fertig. This will finish you. Wir fallen runter. We're falling down. And there's Bowser. Mwahaha! Denkst du, ich gebe sie dir so einfach? Did you think I was gonna just give her to you so easily? Einfach is like easily. Du bist immer im Weg. You're always in the way. Dann hol ich dich. Halt runter. So I'm gonna put you down. Mist. Wieder daneben. So mist is like crap. And then wieder daneben. Mist again. Poor Bowser can't catch a break. Oh Mario. Hast du mir einen Schrecken eingejagt? Oh Mario, you gave me such a scare. Lass uns verschwinden. Let's disappear. Oh, but what's happening now? Kreisch! Mario, ich falle! Hilfe! So, Kreisch means like a shriek, and then I'm falling is ich falle. Hilfe means help. So, ich falle technically means I fall. There's no am falling. In English, we like using that construction. That's like technically called the present progressive. I am falling. We can use it in the past too. I was falling. In the future, I will be falling. But German doesn't really have that. Things that happen in the present are just in the present. I fall. Things that are in the past, just in the past. I fell. Things in the future, I will fall. So that's something that kind of gets German speakers in trouble sometimes when they're speaking in English. Not knowing exactly how to use that kind of strange set of tenses that we have with the progressive. And then English speakers sometimes get in trouble in German because they try inserting it in places that it doesn't exist and really doesn't work. And Mario is blown all the way back to his house where Toad is waiting. Toad läuft in das Haus hinein. He runs into the house and finds Mario hanging up like an old set of clothes. Hey Mario, viele Leute betreten ihr Haus durch eine Öffnung, die allgemein als Tür bekannt ist. Hey Mario, lots of people enter their houses through an opening, which generally is known as a door. Leute is a common word there. It means people, and Tür means door. Aber egal, ich wollte nur die Prinzessin abholen, da sie spät dran ist. But anyway, I just wanted to pick up the princess because she's running late. So aber means but, another common word, and egal means like, whatever, it doesn't matter. So I just wanted to pick her up because she's running late. But he doesn't know what has happened. Hey, ich dachte die Prinzessin wäre hier bei dir. Wo ist sie? Hey, I thought the princess was here with you. Where is she? Mario, warum bist du heute so ruhig? Verheimlichst du mir etwas? So, Mario, why are you being so quiet today? Are you hiding something from me? Oh, Bowser wieder, oder? Bowser again, huh? So, oder technically means or, but they'll use it frequently in sentences like this, where they'll just stick it at the end of a sentence, at the end of a question, and it means like, huh? Or yeah? So, Bowser again, huh? Oh nein, es geht wieder los. Oh no, it's happening again. Mario, bringst du sie bitte wieder zurück, so wie immer? Mario, will you bring her back again, please? Just like always? So wie immer. Just like always. Sure, Toad, we'll do that. First, we're gonna go ahead and save or speichern. And here it says we've gespeichert, so we've gone ahead and saved. And so we will rush to the rescue first thing next episode. Thanks so much for being here. Appreciate it. We're gonna have more German and more Mario RPG next time. Bis dann. Tschüss. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, liken, kommentieren und abonnieren bitte. Danke und tschüss.